Hi guys, what pictures usually comes to your mind when you think about United Arab Emirates? Something like a desert, skyscrapers and luxury lifestyle. But there are a lot of different places here. And today I'm gonna show you one of my favorites. The best mountain road in Emirates and probably the best sunset and the highest point of the country. So today we go to Jebel Jais. Let's go with me. It would take only 1.5 hours to get there from Dubai, and for sure it's worth it. The road goes through 3 Emirates, which is Dubai, Sharjah and Ras Al Khaimah. So you can plan your route with some other sightseeing or stops in these Emirates. Like always in Emirates, road condition is perfect, and what I love most about Emirates roads is that being a top quality, they are not 100% straight. Because for example in Oman with also perfect roads, it's really hard to stay concentrated for several hundred kilometers without any corner. What I really love about this route is that it goes through Sharjah Desert in Sharjah Emirate, and this desert has a unique color of sand. It's orange, and I have never seen such a fascinating color anywhere in the world. Entering Ras Al Khaimah Emirate, mountains appear just from nowhere. You drive through the desert landscape with some villages around, and then you see them. This is really a breathtaking view, and then you exit the highway and exciting road starts from here. You drive about 10 minutes across the wadi, surrounded by the beautiful mountains, and then you're finally reached the most beautiful and exciting road in Emirates. Here you would enjoy driving almost any car, but I would recommend you not to go by SUV like I did, as it of course limits your abilities to enjoy corners. And now only you, your car, and 15 or 20 minutes depending on your speed of great mountain road. I almost reached a peak, and I have one recommendation for you. Make sure before going that your car is in ideal technical condition, because in my car all liquids are close to, let's say, critical temperatures. I mean the transmission fluid and also engine oil. And I wasn't driving fast, I was driving with the normal speed and within the speed limit. However, just 25 minutes going uphill can lead of course to overheating, especially when your car is quite heavy. Near the peak you would find the main point with 2 observation decks, one looking at the mountains and one at the sea. Additionally to observation decks, you can find here the longest zip line in the world, like always in Emirates, and several hiking trails. But as for me, the trip worth it just for the road and views without any additional activities. By the way, if you want more road trips on this channel, please leave a comment below. There are of course a lot of fascinating places here in Emirates. I think I know one more advantage of this crazy location. Yes, this fascinating view, the crazy road that you can really enjoy. However, also it is about 10 degrees lower temperature than downstairs in the city. The best views at Jebel Jais will be during the sunset, of course, and I tried to capture it for you, but must admit that video doesn't show even a half of its beauty. Seriously guys, if you have one free day in Emirates, visit this place, because it is just impossible to show all these views through the cameras. It's unique. I would personally recommend you to come 1 hour before the sunset if you don't want to go for extra activities. And when the sun goes down, you can experience this road once again, but with an absolutely different emotions. Driving through the dark, I felt I'm in some kind of a video game. But remember about safety, don't risk if you are not confident enough about your driving skills or car condition. And finally, remember that it is all real and you have only one life. And for sure, it is one of the places I would strongly recommend you to visit. Thank you for watching, and I think that this location deserved a like. Make sure you are subscribed and see you soon. Alright, now if you click one of these two videos, I hope you will enjoy them as well.